If you have to perform multi-level sorting or sort based on multiple criteria, this is how you do it. Let's say, for example, I have this dataset table here. I want to initially sort it based on unit number, which means I want the smallest unit number to be on the top and the largest unit number to be at the bottom. And then my secondary sorting criteria will be column C here, the check-in date, the earliest being at the top and the oldest being, or rather the newest being the right at the bottom here. So what you have to do is first select your dataset table like this without the header. Then you want to go to Data, Sort Range. In here, you're going to select Advanced Range Sorting option. A pop-up window will appear here. Over here, this is the first criteria that you're going to have to select. I said I'm going to sort based on unit, which is column B. And I'm going to do in ascending order, A to Z. This also means that number ranging from 1 to 9, which means 1 will be at the top. If you want reverse, you can just select like that. I'm going to leave mine as this one here. And my second sorting criteria, you can click on Add Another Sorting, would be column C here like this. And again, I want this in ascending order, which is A to Z, or rather the oldest date at the top and the latest date at the bottom here. Once that's done, you're going to click on Sort. And you can see that it has performed some level of sorting here. Let's have a quick look at it here. So you can see the smallest number on column B is right at the top. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see the largest numbers at the bottom here. Perfect. So column C is your secondary criteria. You can see January at the top here, but you can see it right at the bottom, somewhere around here. You can see January's at the bottom. Why not is at the top? Is because is that the unit column is your primary sorting criteria. That's why this is larger number here. That's why this one goes at the bottom.